Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 AI tools that will change your life forever. From writing smarter to creating videos in seconds, these tools will save you time, boost your productivity, and even blow your mind. So grab a coffee back and let's get started. First up, ChatGPT. This AI assistant can do almost anything. Write essays, brainstorm ideas, translate, help with coding, and even act as your personal tutor. It's like having a genius friend available 24/7. Next, Midjourney. Want to turn your imagination into stunning artwork? Just type a few words, and Midjourney generates mind-blowing images. Artists, designers, and content creators are already using it to supercharge their creativity. Runway ML is like having Hollywood-level video editing in your pocket. You can remove backgrounds, generate new video scenes, or even create visual effects, all powered by AI, perfect for YouTubers and filmmakers. Grammarly is not just a spell checker. It analyzes your writing, fixes grammar, suggests better words, and makes your text sound professional. Whether you're writing emails or essays, it's your secret weapon. Notion AI takes productivity to the next level. It helps you organize tasks, write summaries, and even generate ideas. If you're a student, freelancer, or entrepreneur, this tool will keep your life on track. Need a professional voiceover but don't want to hire an actor? Murph AI converts your text into natural-sounding voices in dozens of languages. It's perfect for YouTube, podcasts, or business presentations.
Welcome to the AI e-learning course. Gain core AI skills through interactive lessons and projects in machine learning. Perfect for beginners.
Welcome to the AI e-learning course. Gain core AI skills through interactive lessons and projects.
Welcome to the AI e-learning course.
Welcome to the AI e-learning course.
The Azure starling, a vibrant new bird species.
Pictory AI turns your written script into a full video with background music and stock footage. Imagine creating YouTube videos in minutes without ever touching editing software. That's Pictory. Synthesia is incredible. It lets you create videos with realistic AI avatars who speak your script in multiple languages. It's like hiring a global team of presenters without paying a dime. Tired of Google giving you too many results? Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search engine that provides direct, accurate answers with references. It's like ChatGPT and Google combined. Copy.ai is your AI copywriter. Whether you need ad texts, product descriptions, or blog posts, this tool creates engaging content in seconds. It's a game changer for marketers and business owners. And there you have it. These 10 AI tools are already transforming the way we work, learn, and create. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. The future is here, and with AI, it's only getting more exciting.